Okay guys, welcome back to Two Guys Kitchen, and I'm Rob, and Max is behind the camera, and today we're going to be doing a cooking tip with a tool or a mold. This is a skeleton mold for eggs, used for Halloween, of course. Obviously this week is being Halloween and my anniversary. And so anyways, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be cooking a couple eggs in this mold. You can find it on our affiliate channel on YouTube in the description side, and of course let's check it out. Okay, so what we're going to do is we put our little non-stick pan out, do a quick little spray with some pan. You can't go wrong with pan. Don't need a lot. And we're going to be using some extra large eggs, although I think one of them doesn't look a little extra large. And then what we're going to do is take our mold, and we're going to be put it right there in the center, and we're going to drop the eggs right in the middle. So we're going to grab a couple eggs, just pop it down there, and then we'll gently drop it right into the eyeball. I love that. This one here. The trick is not to get too crazy with dropping it in there. Alright. And just let it simmer for a few minutes. Okay, I'm going to throw a little salt here, just a little bit. And a little bit of pepper. I don't know about you, but I go a little fine with this pepper. So, gives it a good look, and give some, maybe add some pepper up here to give it a little bit of hair. Okay, so how do we know when it's done? Well, obviously, some people like over easy, medium, whatever. I personally like mine almost medium, so it's still an over easy to a point, but it has that little bit of a tough. So you want to make sure it's not all runny. Obviously, when you lift this up, there's a little handle here. If you lift it up and it's running out, obviously it's not done, unless you like a runny egg. Okay, so Max had asked about when it was done. Obviously, you don't want it when you jiggle it. You don't want it too wet. Obviously, you start seeing the white coming up. I cook a lot of over easy eggs. The best way to go is low and slow. So low heat, slow. Be patient with it, but as the white's coming up, it's obviously getting done. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it because he likes his a little bit more under than I do. So you just have to kind of take your tongs here because it's a little hot. There you go. And pop that out. See? And there it is. I've had better, but it looks like I cracked an egg as I was doing it. Whoa! There we go. How about that? And that's cooking with Two Guys Kitchen. So for more, make sure you hit the like button or actually pop the like button for us, and we'll be back next week with a new tip and trick. Here we go.